Welcome back to Blacknote Music Center. This is lesson 13 in our beginner piano course. In the last lesson, you learned how to play smoothly and confidently. Now, we are going to take your playing to the next level. Because playing the right notes is good, but playing with style is what makes music come alive. Today, you will learn how to make your piano playing sound more expressive, more interesting, and more professional. So, what does playing with style means? Playing with style means adding personality to your music. It is not just C, D, E as usual. It is how you play the notes. It is how loud or soft you play. It is how smooth and energetic your sound is. Style is what makes your playing sound more like music instead of practice. Step 1. Let's start with dynamics. How loud or soft you play. Let's play a melody. C, D, E, D, C. Again, C, D, E, D, C. First, play everything at the same level. Then, play softly. Then, slightly louder. Let's try it. Everything at the same level. Let's play softly. Slightly loud. Soft. Loud. Soft. Loud. Soft. Loud. So music should not sound flat. Change your volume to create emotion. So I want you to practice soft, medium, loud, soft. Let's try it. Soft, medium, loud, soft. Again, soft, medium, loud, soft. Step 2. Now let's talk about touch. Play the same notes, hard and sharp. Then soft and gentle. Example. Soft. Okay. Hard. Soft. So your fingers control the feeling, not the music. Don't hit the keys, press them with control. Step 3. Now let's make rhythm more interesting. Instead of playing evenly, C, D, E, D, C. Try hold some notes longer. Play some notes shorter. Okay, this creates movement and musical interest. Step 4. Let's use the accompaniment patterns you learned. Take a simple chord progression. For example, C, F, G, C. So I want you to try different style. Broken chords, block chords, bass plus chord, alternating bass. So play each note. And I want you to tell me which one do you like? Let's take broken chords for example. I've demonstrated this before. So can you hear how each one feels different? Same chords, different style. So I want you to, on your own, try different style. Okay. Step 5. I want us to add a small improvement to your melody. Instead of only C, D, E, C, D, E, you can try C, E, D, E, C, E, D, E. Small changes make a big difference. So you don't need many notes, just creativity. Step 6. Let's talk about feeling. How should this sound? Happy, play light and bright. Calm, play soft and smooth. Strong, play firm and confident. So music is emotion. Let your playing express something. For example, let's take the note I just played, the piece. I'm playing it twice. You choose between the first and the second. This is first one. And the second one. So which one sounds better? So that is the power of style. So here are the common beginner mistakes. Avoid playing everything the same level. The same volume. Avoid ignoring rhythm variation. Avoid being too stiff. Avoid overcomplicating. So remember, simple plus expressive makes your music powerful. So here is your assignment. So practice daily. Play your melody softly and loudly. Number 2, try different accompaniment, different patterns. Number 3, add small variations. Number 4, focus on feeling, not just notes. And make sure you practice at least 10 to 15 minutes every day or daily. So, which style did you like most? I want you to comment below in the comment section. Do you prefer soft playing or strong playing? Type style if you hear the difference. Today, you learned how to play with style and expression. This is what makes your playing stand out. In the next lesson, we will start putting everything together into real song playing techniques you can use on any song. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and join live lessons every Monday, 7 p.m. South African time. This is Blacknote Music Center, and now you are not just playing notes, you are creating music.